Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to make a chat app with the ZEGOCLOUD SDK. ZEGOCLOUD is a global communication service provider which provides you with developer-friendly and powerful SDK and APIs to build many communication features in your app, such as the video call, chat, video conference, live streaming, etc. And also, ZEGOCLOUD offer SDKs which will enable you to ship faster and build more. These are pre-built UI kits which will enable you to ship faster and build product faster, present faster. And today we'll be using one of the kits to build the chat app. So first step is to create an account. And once you are here, you put in your details to create an account. So select your country, Nigeria, put in your email, and then you request for a verification code. Okay, you have to accept this first, and they'll send you your code. So I'll put in my code here, 496365. Put in my password. And then you start your free trial. Immediately you sign up, ZEGOCLOUD will give you free 10,000 minutes to test and to use their product. If you like it, they can go ahead and subscribe. But I'm very sure if you use this product, you will like it. So let's just access our dashboard and start creating our chat app. Here's the dashboard. You have to feel more about yourself. So you can just enter your company name, Vikkybliz, and then here you put developer. And then you go to your dashboard. So you see your free 10,000 minutes here already. Let's create our first project. You can see video call, video conference, live streaming, live audio room, in-app chat. This is what we actually need. So this is what we'll press. I'll click on next. Name of your project, just say chat app. Once your project has been created, you can press the start building and you see your dashboard right here. So it's still creating. Let's wait for you reload this page. Okay, our project has been created successfully. If you click on it here, you see your app ID, your app sign, your server secrets, and all that. But before we start coding, you go to your service management, scroll down here to the in-app chat, and then you activate it. So it will take a while for it to be activated. While it's being activated, let's go into our code editor and start creating our code. So first thing we'll do is to go to our postpage.html file and add the dependency. So this is the dependency we'll be using, the ZEGOZim kit. I'll put the link in the description below. You have the ZEGOZim kit, you add it here, and then you get your package. And we've gotten our package. Hopefully the chat has been activated successfully. Okay, good. We can now start coding. So I'll copy my app sign and my app ID and I'll use it in my app. So I'll just create a file called app secrets dot and here I'll add my app sign and my app secret. So I'll skip this. I'll be showing you guys. So once we get here, we need to initialize our Zim kit. So say Zim kit dot init, and here we need our app ID and our app sign. I've saved this in my app secret file. So we say app ID and then app sign. Okay, good. Now we have initialized it. We can run our app now. But before we do that, there are some settings we need to do. To configure for Android, you need to have your minimum SDK set to 21 and your compiled SDK set to 33. So let's start. Here we have video Gradle. Compiled SDK should be set to 33 and then minimum SDK should be set to 21. Okay, then we need to have all these permissions in our Android manifest file. These are permissions actually required in a normal chat app. You can see to access Wi-Fi, to record audio, internet permission, network, camera, Bluetooth. All these are required in a standard chat app. So you go into your app, your source, your main, and then your Android manifest. Up here, you add in all the permissions you copied. Okay, then we need to add this in a ProGuard file to prevent obfuscation. This means that when we are building an APK, it won't compress or remove all these ZEGOCLOUD codes. So we need to add this in the ProGuard file, which says keep class the ZEGO class. So copy this, you go into your project, your Android, your app, and then you create a ProGuard rules.pro file. So let's do that. Said we go into our Android app. Okay, Android app, and right here we create a ProGuard rules.pro, and then we put this right here. So we are almost through with the setup. We also copy this and put it in our Gradle file. In our build types. Okay, and now the boring setup is done. Let's try to run our code right now and see if it works. Finish running and we have an error here. Let's see what's wrong. Says first off, say some plugins require execute 34. Oh yeah, then we have one here. So first off, let's change this to compile execute 34 and try to run it again. Okay, And now we have our app running. So let me clean up this code a bit, and yeah, I will remove all this. Okay, so this is what we have now. And we have my scaffold here, scaffold, and inside my scaffold we have the body. So what I want to do on this page is to create a login page for the users to log in and create their account. So we have a center, and then we have an elevated button. Right here we'll have a text that says login. So we need to perform auto restart, so let's restart our app. Okay, this is our login button. Now it doesn't do anything, but let's add functionality to it. So right here we have ZimKits dot, is this the spelling? Yeah, ZimKits dot connect user, and then we need their ID. So this is just a test, but if you are running it, if you are running a production app, you know you have to generate your ID from the backend. But right now, for the sake of tutorial, I'll just create a random ID. So here we have 123, and then we also need a name for it. So I'll give it a name, not compulsory. I'll just give it, let's say, Vikkybliz. So this is all you need to log in. So and when you log in, I want to redirect to another page. So we say navigator dot off context dot push replacement material page routes. And here we'll have our new page, which I'll create down here. ZimKits home page. Okay. And this is how it will be. So let's make this asynchronous. Okay, before we log in though, let's add some things in our ZimKits homepage. What we need to add first, because we are supposed to have a chat list, but since we don't have a chat list yet, we just need to have, let's just create a chat screen whereby we already have two people that are already chatting there. So right here we have scaffold up let's say this is chat list. Okay, and then in our body we have the ZimKits ZimKit list message list page. So if you are chatting with someone, you need a conversation ID, which I will also generate by myself. So we have my own ID is 123, so let's just give this a 456. Okay, and let's save this. We also have a property like the conversation type. Zim conversation type dot. We have for group, we have for peers, and we have for room. But since this is a one-to-one chat, we just say a peer. And if I should log in now, we can see this here. This is the person I'm chatting with. I can send message. And if you are generating the ID from your backend, the person with this ID should receive the message right here. So if I say I, you will receive the message right here. You can send voice notes. You can add attachments. You can even add pictures. So you see, you can add anything you want. You can add pictures, just like your normal chat app. So you can see this is just with the help of the Zego UI kit. You don't need to write a lot of code. Just set it up from their dashboard, come inside here, add your code, write your ZimKit message list page, and you have a one-to-one chat app. Now to display your message chat list view, you can wrap this. Instead of having a ZimKit message list page, you are going to have a ZimKit conversation list view. So I'll cut this and then have ZimKit conversation list view. Okay, if I should save this right here, this is the person we're chatting with. This is the 456. This is our list. I may be thinking this is saved on the local device. No, because if you should reload, your message is still there. So no matter which device you log into, as long as you are with the 123 ID, your message will still be there. So this is just how to create a chat app with the Zego UI kit. If you enjoyed this, kindly subscribe to the channel. Also like this video. If there's any other tutorial you'd like me to do, put it in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next lesson, guys. Thanks for watching.